Again, as he's coming through, I move off the line, box out Chun Sao, lop across, 1 and 2. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and we have another video from our parallel hand Chi Sao dealing with the inside lop style. But before we do that, I need you to go over the buttons, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always. Thank you for your support.
5.1, the second parallel hand Chi Sao technique. Now let's look at a counter. So we line up, we're parallel. So remember the golden rule. He's touching me or I touch him. Touch one hand and I look at the other. So I know where this hand is, so it really can't hurt me. So as Keith comes in and goes for the lock, punch is coming in, I want to take a release step from here. Move outside, box out, Chun Sao. I want to lop this across to prevent this arm from coming through. Strike to the body, strike to the head. So again, as he's coming through, I move off the line, box out Chun Sao, lop across, 1 and 2. Let's take one more. Coming in, box out Chun Sao, 1 and 2. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.